one power up.
Let's see what these teams have in the auto run. 971 flying across the field. Ready to drop a cube, and that's one power cube and two power cubes in the Blue Alliance onto that Blue Alliance side switch. Claiming that switch early, and they're already starting to build up those points for the Blue Alliance. Nothing delivered on the red side yet. But it looks like 3880's grabbing the first power cube on the Red Alliance side. 971, they have one. Drop it, giving that in and onto the scale on that Blue Alliance side. That they did bump that scale. And you can't bump the scale. You can only move it using the weight of those power cubes. If your robot pushes it around, that can be bad news for you. 971 got one more cube, and they're on their way over to the Red Alliance side, trying to take that switch away, it looks like. Getting ready to drop and place the switch. And the Red Alliance now is going to do a little bit extra work if they want to get a switch on their side. Blue Alliance has the Red Alliance locked in at 20 points. And they are currently building themselves up at 2 points per second for that Blue Alliance side. No power-ups yet, but 71-37. The Warriors Robotics on that Blue Alliance, they're building up those power-ups, getting those power cubes over to the exchange zone on the Blue Alliance side. Over on the Red has played Force now. Red using the Force command to force for 10 seconds the switch and the scale for the Red Alliance, pulling them back up a little bit, but not very far, up to 46 points now. And you got just under 1 minute remaining. 3 power cubes resting on each side of the switch for the Blue Alliance, keeping Red Alliance at bay. But 3880 continuing to farm those power cubes, getting them over to their human players, so they will be able to use them for these power-ups and gain some additional points at the end of the match. We're just over the final 30 seconds now. 64-15. Getting a little bit of practice in, dropping another power cube up into the scale, and they've dropped one in there. We have Levitate played by both alliances now. That's worth one climbing robot on both sides. Spartan Robotics 971 now looking to clip on and climb up that scale in the final 18 seconds. They're going to try to get up there. Looks like they're up and high enough. Our other Blue Alliance team getting on that platform. 2 red robots up on the platform for 5 points each. As we reach the final 5 seconds, there was one more boost power-up play by the Blue Alliance, doubling up some points for extra 10 seconds just as time expired. And for this match, it's the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance with a score of 390. Red Alliance 116.